Hey everybody, Bill in Virginia. And had a little bit of a quiet evening tonight, so I wanted to participate in the Uncle Wilmer challenge to see how many cars a single engine could pull. So what I opted to use was a Model Power N-Scale FP7. It's an all-metal unit. It's heavy. And I was pleasantly surprised. I hooked up pretty much everything that I've got, except for a few odds and ends. And I had a 41 car train with a caboose, so essentially 42 units behind the locomotive. On my layout, I've got some nice long runs, but I really put it through its paces. I put it up my grade to go up and then over the trestle. It's a 2% grade. I got video of it going up. Now you will notice that I got most of the train up and then it stalled. So we did have an assist to get it moving again. A little bit of the hand of God came in towards the end of the train and gave it a slight shove. The FP7 got traction under it again and pulled it. So I think if I would have had maybe 38 cars, I would have been able to have done the full grade all on the engine's power. But as it was, I had fun. So here's the video of that engine pulling.